Hey, hello friends. This is Ashish Mohanty here. Well, I have been riding Harley Davidson since 2017. It's really a great journey in my life. So I just wanted to share my experiences with all of you. And being a rider, it's an utmost necessary for the security or the safety of the rider. So when it comes to a safety, helmet is the first priority for a particular rider. So I have been planning this helmet. I do have various types of helmets, but I never had a carbon fiber or a carbon fiber composite helmet. So I have been planning this for a very long time, and now that I have grabbed my part of it, so I just wanted to share the things with you. What exactly is that helmet? What is the benefit of it? And what is the safety measures of this helmet? And why did I choose to get this one? This is the helmet which I was talking about. This is from HSC's Rafa edition, Rafa 11 of Superman editions. Knife to unbox it. So let's open it up. Well, you can see it's really well packaged, and as I have already imported this one, I'm really happy with the kind of packaging they have done it for me. And let's see what exactly we do have. What are other accessories this helmet comes with? Let's come together. Let's see. Okay. Now here comes the HJC's. What is this? Helmet parts and accessories. Okay, these are a few stickers. Okay, this is owner's manual. You can see there are a lot of things, lot of paper things they have given it. This is owner's manual. We'll read it after some time. Okay, what exactly is this one? Oh, I don't think anything is there. Just a cover. We'll keep it aside. Now comes the real legend. Oh wow. This is an extra visor. This is the dark visor. They have given it to us. You can see, guys. It's really beautiful. Smoky dark extra visors they are giving with this package. We'll keep it aside. And here comes the pin lock. As you all know, it's highly necessary when we are driving in the fog climate. How pin lock used to help us. Okay, we'll keep it aside. Okay, here comes the giant. Now, oh my god, lovely. Can see here. Okay, we'll keep it aside. Why did I choose HJCs? Well, I do have one HJC helmet right from the very beginning, and it's been around 2 years I have been using that helmet. Before that, I was having one Harley Davidson's helmet, and I became fan of HJCs because of their comfortability, the aerodynamics, and why I went for this Rafa edition 11 Pro. It's because it is made up of three composite layer. That is, one is glass fiber, carbon fiber, and aramid, which HSC used to call as a PIM. What is that? PIM integrated matrix. What exactly? See, look at this helmet. It's a PIM integrated matrix shell, which is as claimed by the company, is the most lightest and the safest helmet which you can get in the today's market. Oh my god, see the beauty of it. See the beauty, see the colors. Wow, it's just amazing. I got this Rafa 11 Superman editions of large size. You can see here, it's 1350 gram. Oh my god. And it's so light. It's like nothing, just like a feather light. I am really impressed by the design, the aerodynamicity of this helmet, and the weight of this helmet. Beautiful. And we do have one clear visor, which comes with the helmet by default. And well, you can see there are two vents over right at the starting, and these are two vents at the head, and this is one over the crown layer. And these vents can be adjusted with this two wheels. And you can see this is the rear spoiler kind of things which they have given it for the aerodynamics part. Here also you find two vents also. It's you can see it's really airy. And look at this, look at the D-rings. Wow, it's so golden color, and it's really looking nice, beautiful. Beauty of it. See, okay. See the inner casings. Oh wow, see the paddings. Oh, beautiful. It's really airy. And I know HSE is really comfortable to wear, and extremely good to handle in long rides as well as soft rides also. Let's wear it to test. Wow. Wow, it's feel awesome. I trust me, in my 3 years of biking career, I never had such helmet, which is so light. I'm really not feeling anything that I have on my head. It's so beautiful. Well, the main part of this helmet is its price. You won't believe the kind of price in which I have got this helmet. Well, there have been many people who have been doing a blog of all those things, and they have claimed to have got these things in a very higher price. But the kind of the price which I am going to tell you, it's gonna shock you. And we have ordered a few more also. Joker edition of AJCs as well as the Venom editions. Everything is coming down to me, and those are required by my friends. They have ordered after looking at my Superman editions being delivered, so they are highly excited, and we'll definitely do a blog over those helmets also. Well, I'm going to reveal you the price of this. Okay, I have been searching around a lot of websites. There are a lot of renowned websites are there who have been selling these helmets, and they have quoted around 84,000. My God, 84,000 bucks. Okay, and I have even looked around for other websites also, where I got even in 65 max to max with a discount of a 60,000. But finally, I grabbed the deal in 45,000. Yes, exactly, you're hearing it correctly. It's 45,000. In 45,000, Rapha 11 Pro Superman Edition. Can you believe it? If you really wanted that helmet, I'll give my contact details. Please connect with me. I'll get it for you. It's always not correct to follow what a blogger is saying blindly. So you can do your own research. You can figure it out. And there are also those bloggers who are really coming up right now. They're not that famous, but they can even get you this helmet in a very good deal, which a big blogger cannot. Trust me. Okay. Well, now we are going to end this blog, and hope to see you again with lots of new products, and with reviews as well as their unboxing videos. And I'll definitely put all my riding blogs as well as my Harley Davidsons will be coming up recently. And till then, signing off. See you. Bye bye. Take care.